Hello, welcome to my own server.info. Today I'm going to be taking a look at OpenCart, which is a free e-commerce shopping cart that allows you to create an online store for no cost. So I've already downloaded it and I have the folder sitting here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started by copying the contents. It's got the directions here, and then we want to take the upload folder. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to drop all these in my root folder. So I'm going to select them all and then click copy, and then I'm going to go to my htdocs folder for XAMPP. Alright, and then I'm going to just right click and paste all of those files here. And of course it's going to prompt me to overwrite the index.php, which that's fine. Alright, and I want to copy and replace that index.php. And now those are copied. Now next thing we're going to need to do is go ahead and create a MySQL database for it. So I'm going to go to localhost and then php myadmin. Then I'm going to log in as the root user. Alright, and then I'm going to create, it can be named whatever you want. I'm going to just name mine e-commerce. Alright, and then I'm going to click the house again. And now we're going to go to privileges. And then I'm going to create a new user for this database. The database, the name doesn't matter. We'll just say OpenCart. And then for host, we're going to select localhost. Unless you're installing this on someplace like GoDaddy that doesn't use a local host for their servers, then that should be 90% of the time that's the one you use. And I like to generate the password. And then I'm just going to right click and copy that password, because we're going to need that when we go to install it. But that automatically generates a MD5 password for us, a good strong secure password. We'll go down, skip all that, and then click go. Alright, next we're going to go, after we click go, we're going to go down here and then we're going to select our e-commerce database. And then we're going to click on check all. And then we're going to click go. Alright, so now we have a new user and a new database for our OpenCart. I'm going to click on tab here and I'm going to go ahead and go to localhost / I think it's install. Yeah, there we go. And it's going to check and see if we have everything we need enabled. And apparently we don't have our curl turned on, and that's the only thing that we don't have turned on, so we're going to go ahead and fix that right quick. I believe that is going to be under our PHP folder, so we go to our XAMPP folder and find PHP and open our php.ini. It should say, if you're using Windows, it should say configuration settings. We're going to open that up. Should open up a notepad. And then what we're going to do, we're going to do edit and then find. And then we'll type in curl. And there's what we're looking for right there. We'll go ahead and close that. And then we want to remove that comma in front of it. And then we'll click file and save. And then we're going to go down here and open up our control panel. And then we're going to stop our Apache server. Then we're going to start it back up. And you can go ahead and close this out too. We're done with that as long as you save that. Alright, our Apache server is back up now. So we'll go ahead and click refresh on this. And as you can see now, now it's lit up, so now that's enabled. So we're in good shape. Everything's enabled and it's all working. So we'll go ahead and click continue. Alright, next it was OpenCart was the name of the username. And then that password, this is that big old long password that I just copied. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that big old long thing in there. The database name was e-commerce. And we're going to leave the database prefix undefined. It'll do that automatically. Now we need to pick a username and password for the administrative user. I recommend changing that. I'm not going to for the sake of the tutorial. And pick a password, something better than that. Once again, I'm doing a tutorial. I don't care how secure it is. And then we'll go ahead and click continue. Annoying. Alright, it says congratulations, you've successfully installed OpenCart. Now it's going to give us a couple of warnings. We'll go ahead and we'll open the shop or go to the shop. As you can see, we've got our store successfully installed now, and it is just that easy to do that. You can change the currency right here over to US dollar, and we'll go ahead and click back a little ways, and then we'll click administration, and then we'll go ahead and log in with that. A real good strong secure password that I had created. Alright, and then here's our admin panel. And now we're ready to go ahead and start getting set up and go through. And I wish I knew some of the points, but I don't. I just took a look at this earlier today, but anyways, well, now you have your very own shopping cart. So now you're ready to get busy and start configuring it, and hopefully sell some stuff, get rich. And if you happen to get real rich, keep me in mind. I'm always open to donations. So, anyways, enjoy your new e-commerce website, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching.